For today's manufacturers, satisfying customers means delivering accurate, timely quotes and proposals, and error-free orders with every engagement. As buyers' expectations for their digital experiences evolve, manufacturers must find ways to exceed those expectations. But how? With FPX CPQ from Microsoft Dynamics 365, manufacturers, their sales teams, field services organizations, vendors, and resellers, as well as customers leveraging e-commerce platforms, now have the ability to spec, quote, and order complex configurable solutions quickly and efficiently, guide users to optimal products based on individual requirements, and deliver a true omni-channel experience. Let's see how a user leverages FPX CPQ within Microsoft Dynamics 365 to configure, price, and quote an order with our fictional company, Vulcan Fueling. From the Microsoft Dynamics 365 dashboard, our seller, Tiffany, is able to create a quote based on her customer's specific product and performance requirements. Tiffany can immediately begin the quoting process within the CRM by simply clicking on the FPX CPQ icon. Inside FPX CPQ, the user experience is seamless and appears within the CRM. She can now leverage the FPX guided selling feature to configure a solution. The guided selling feature presents her with a variety of products sorted by category. In this scenario, she's going to configure a fuel dispenser for her customer. With the entire product portfolio at her fingertips, she can easily narrow her choices based on the customer's requirements. Presented with what she's looking for, she can choose to learn more and view a detailed product rendering as well as features, options, and marketing materials. If this product met all her specifications, she could add it directly to her quote. In this case, she chooses to configure the product to meet the customer's unique requirements. The power of FPX CPQ is the ability to configure even the most complex products through a simple step-by-step process. Built-in validation rules ensure accuracy as the changes are reflected dynamically in real time in the product summary. Tiffany can choose to learn more about specific features and options by clicking the information icons. Here, she clicks on the Easy meter to review a rendering of the product, as well as features, benefits, promotions, and marketing materials. Within the tool, she can also view pre-configured product packages and bundles that include additional features and options. She can review the various options within each bundle or package and further enhance her customer's solution. If Tiffany selects a non-standard feature, the built-in validation rules alert her, and with a single click, she can resolve any compatibility issues. Additionally, upsell messages allow her to add value and increase sales opportunity. With the appropriate recommendation selected, the product package is dynamically adjusted and reflected in the summary. FPX CPQ makes adjusting pricing easy. Tiffany can add discounting that is updated and reflected throughout all the product options. Here, she adds a 10% discount. Once the discount is applied, she can inspect the entire bill of materials for her order and even view a detailed 3D rendering of the solution. In the model viewer, she can engage with a 3D rendering of her solution. This helps ensure the product design, color, and other aesthetics match with the customer's requirements. Tiffany is ready to save her quote and generate a proposal to send to the customer. She can select a specific format for the proposal, including Microsoft Word, Excel spreadsheet, or as a PDF. A professional and personalized cover page is created, and she can review all the quote details before sending to her customer. With the proposal complete, she saves her work, and FPX CPQ synchronizes the configured solution into the opportunity within Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. Back in the Dynamics dashboard, it's like Tiffany never left the CRM while working within FPX CPQ to build a complete proposal. She can now go back into her opportunity and review the configuration details. With FPX CPQ, configurations and orders can be initiated and completed via mobile devices and in remote locations using FPX's mobile offline functionality. These features make FPX CPQ an ideal solution for Microsoft Field Services and other field sellers. With FPX CPQ from Microsoft Dynamics 365, global organizations like Honeywell, Dover, and others experience tangible successes like increased revenue, enhanced profit margins, and reduced costs associated with solution maintenance. To learn more about FPX and Microsoft Dynamics 365, view the FPX listing in the Microsoft App Source.